Hello to all the beautiful people and welcome to Design and Creativity channel. So my dear friends, to make this beautiful candle you need a white plain pillar candle like this. And the second most important thing is this wax paper, which is easily available in the market, but if you don't find in the market, then it is available on Amazon. And then you need a masking tape or a cello tape and a scissor and some colorful sketch pens. So it is up to you which color you want to use, but I thought it's a better idea to use a red color sketch pen. Okay guys, so the amount of wax paper needed depends on the height of your pillar candle, and other than this you will need a tissue paper, and one more important thing is this hot air gun. But if you don't have this hot air gun, don't worry guys, you can use your regular hair dryer also. And now guys, one most important thing you have to keep in your mind is that you have to use the thinnest tissue paper available, and mostly these tissue papers are made up of two layers, so here we have to use one layer only. And now just follow the process whatever I am showing you here, and this is super easy guys, and enjoy the process. And now after completing the writing and the designing work, it's time to emboss it onto the candle. So let's see how we can do it. And now it's time to place your tissue paper onto the candle. So first layer will be of tissue paper and the second layer will be of this wax paper. And now guys, hold this tissue paper and wax paper tightly and secure the ends of this wax paper using a sellotape. And now it's time to blow some hot air onto the candle. Guys, do this process very carefully because the hot air is really very hot. While doing this process, you may feel that your tissue paper starts disappearing. Actually, it does not disappear. A thin layer of wax coats this tissue paper and it gives a feel like the tissue paper has disappeared, but actually it is not. So guys, keep doing this process until and unless you will see no residue of the tissue paper, or your tissue paper will get completely covered with a thin layer of the wax. And when you get completely sure that now it's time to remove your wax paper from the candle, just remove your wax paper like the way I'm showing you here, and you will love your candle after doing this. And now guys, carefully and gently remove this wax paper from your candle and you will just fall in love with your candle after removing your wax paper from it. Dun, dun, dun. And so, be mine, I love you. This beautiful customized candle is ready to gift to the loved ones. So, I hope you like my video and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching. Take care.